Hare Krishna. Welcome to the Krsnatarian way of cooking. So today, continuing the soup series, I'm going to share with you 2 soup recipes in one video. The name of this soup is hot and sour soup. So I will be sharing with you 2 variations of the same. So without wasting any time, let's proceed towards the recipe. In a pot, add half cup of water and a quarter cup of chopped tomatoes. We have to take nearly 2 chopped tomatoes, so from that we will just add a quarter quantity. Cook the tomatoes for some time until the tomatoes are completely soft. Now add nearly 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half tablespoon of chili flakes, a teaspoon of black pepper powder and half cup of soy sauce. Using dark soy sauce is much preferred here. Then add around 4 to 5 cups of water. Now add salt as per taste. Now let the seasoning come to a boil. By that time, we're going to chop the tofu. Now here I have taken traditional tofu. Now this tofu is perfect for the hot and sour soup. So I have just taken half quantity of it, which is around 350 grams of it. I'm going to slice this horizontally and then I will divide it into half. So we want nearly 1.5 inches strips with a 0.5 centimeter thickness. So once this block of tofu is sliced nicely, then I'll be using nearly 1 cup of colored bell peppers and the remaining tomatoes. The seasoning has come to a boil. Here I have added half cup of cornstarch mixed with little bit of water to make a thick paste. And now I added the tofu. Now I'll again bring it to a boil. Now I'm going to add the bell peppers and the tomatoes. Mix everything well and then simmer it for a few minutes. And then turn off the stove. This soup is a perfect blend of hot and sourness. And the tofu just adds an extra kick to it. Now I'll place a tulsi leaf and offer it at the lotus feet of Sri Krishna. Now let's proceed towards the second one. So here I'm going to take half cup of julienne sliced carrots. Now this is a lotus root. Now I'm going to slice the lotus root in the similar manner and also the purple cabbage. If you do not have lotus roots, you can even use bamboo shoots. So I'm going to add around 1 big tomato and I'll be taking 2 chilies. In the past I had made this soup, I had added nearly 3 to 4 chilies and that turned out very spicy and it was not good for my household. But if you have an Indian taste bud, then you can try that much spice. Now I'm going to blend it smooth with a little bit of water and then add this to the pot. Keeping the heat on medium. Now I'm going to add nearly 4 to 5 cups of water. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Then salt as per taste. Then I'm going to add a tablespoon of tomato ketchup. Mix everything well. Now I'll cook this and bring it to a boil and then add the veggies. After adding the veggies, I'm going to add the cornstarch mixture. That is nearly 1 to 2 tablespoons of cornstarch mixed with a little bit of water. Mix a thick paste and then just add it to it. Now you can first add the cornstarch mixture and then add the veggies if you want your veggies to be more crunchy. Now I'm going to cook this soup for around 5 minutes and then turn off the stove. And now once this hot and sour soup is ready, then I'm going to squeeze some lemon juice. Around 2 to 3 tablespoons is fine. And the soup is ready. This is a more healthier version of the hot and sour soup, and I prefer the first one over this one. So after putting this soup in a bowl, I will be placing a tulsi leaf and offering it at the lotus feet of Sri Krishna. Do leave your comments below. Thank you for watching. Hare Krishna.